Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning August the 2nd to the 8th using this kit from PaperCandyArt called Salty. I paired this kit with rose gold foil, so I used some Planner Pixie foil and some affiliate tapes from Caress Press, and I think that was about it. So as usual, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch me lay down my base, and I will be back for the day by day. Just a disclaimer, well, in this video I was 10 weeks pregnant, but my baby is now here and with me, so if you hear any background noise, it is him, and I'm not going to apologize because he's a baby. But yeah, just in case you're wondering what you're hearing in the back, or if this video has lots of jump cuts. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna let you guys watch me lay down my base, and I'll be back in a second. Enjoy. So now for the day by day. So starting with Monday. On top of Monday, I use an eye mask sticker from the kit and a So Tired script from Bella Panella to not be really tired. I use a house sticker from the kit to not going to my mum's house. Because I had been going there every day because my husband still had work and he was working from home, so I just rather be in a place where I can do what I want and not have to be quiet, basically, especially being pregnant and throwing up and stuff. Then I use this camera icon from Planner Hannah and a film haul custom script from Kinsey's Creation to note film in a haul. I then use a sticker sheet, I think it's from Planner Face, but I'm not sure, and a put away sticker script to note putting away stickers. That's also from Kinsey's Creation, and I realised that this icon is from Kinsey's Creation too, not from Planner Face. Then I used a YouTube play button sticker from Ice Cream Joe, and I'm Plan With Me Binge custom script from Bella Panella to note a Plan With Me Binge. Try using my code ADIATU15 at Bella Panella to get 15% off your order. I then used this gaming controller from Planner Face and a Babe Gaming custom script from Planner Hannah to note my husband gaming. I then used this TV icon from Planner Hannah and a Love Island custom script from Bella Panella to note Love Island binge. I then used this computer icon from the kit and a YouTube binge sticker from Planner Hannah to note a YouTube binge. So I note YouTube binges when it's me and my husband, and Planner binges when it's me, because that's usually what I'm watching. On to Tuesday, I used a pillow sticker from the kit and a lazy morning custom script from Kinsey's Creations to note being lazy that morning. I then use a house icon from the Honeybee shop to note going to, yes, you guessed it, my mum's house. I then use this sticker from Tilly Journals and the organised stickers custom script from Kinsey's Creation to note that. I then use the YouTube play button sticker again and Plan With Binge script from Bella Panella to note Plan With Binge. I marked it the same way all week. I then use a TV icon from the kit and a Castle binge custom script from Bella Panella to note watching Castle, which I haven't finished. I need to finish that. I then use a lazy day sticker over like this bow sticker from Sweet Quiet Design to note having a lazy day. I then use another computer icon from the kit and the YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah to note a YouTube binge. Why do I keep mixing up Bella Panella and Planner Hannah? I don't know. Then I used a nap time sticker from the kit to note having a nap. On to Wednesday. On Wednesday, at the top of Wednesday, I use an alarm clock icon and an up early script from Planner Hannah to note waking up early. I then use this house sticker, I think it's from DP Studio, to note going to my mum's house. Right? Yes. Then I use a camera sticker from the kit and a film videos custom script from Planner Hannah to note filming some videos. I marked a Plan With Me binge the same way I had the rest of the week. I then marked editing using an edit sticker from the kit and an edit script from Harriet Wright Designs to note editing the videos I had been filming. Then use a TV icon from the kit once again and a Castle binge script from Bella Panella to note binge watching more Castle. That's what I was binging this week. I then used the trainer icon from the kit and exercise script from the kit as well to note I wasn't doing exercise. I had walked into town to get my nails done, but I walked there. I don't know why. I think I was trying to exercise, but I regretted it because I was in sandals and they wasn't comfortable and I hated it. But yeah, I walked there and back. So I marked it as exercise. I was trying to get some exercise in because my mum kept telling me, oh, you're pregnant now, you need to get exercise in and not be lazy. But that didn't last long. Then I used this cookie sticker girl like with new nails and an appointment script from Ridey.plans to note going to my nail appointment. So moving on to Thursday. At the top of Thursday, I marked being tired with a bed icon from the kit. Then I used this angry like emoji sticker from Planner Hannah to note being moody that day. I marked a Plan With Me binge the same way I have the rest of the week. Then I marked filming videos with a camera icon from Planner Hannah and a film video script from Planner Hannah. This week I was filming a lot. I think I was catching up with Plan With Me, but I just didn't edit them. So onto the second half of that day, I used a TV icon from Planner Hannah and a Castle Binge custom script to note watching more Castle. I then used this computer icon. I think this is from SPC, I'm not sure though. And an edit script from Harriet Wright Designs to note doing some editing. And then use this Whimsical Cat Studio character with like vegetables to note eating salad, probably. Yes, eating salad. Then from my mum, probably. Then I marked with this computer from the kit and a Love Island binge using the Love Island custom script from Bella Plan Ella. To Friday. So on Friday at the top, I used this Stuck in You Designs girl on a couch to note being super duper sleepy. I marked going to my mum's house using the GP Studio house sticker. I marked taking a nap with this Nap Queen sticker from the Honeybee shop layered over a bow from the kit. I then marked a Castle binge the same way I had the rest of the week with a TV from Planner Hannah and a Castle binge custom script from, what's it called? Bella Plan Ella. So as you can see on the screen, I'm creating like a half box extender with the bougie boxes. I think I saw, is her name Lovey Dovey? That using bougie boxes to do an extender, so I wanted to try it and make a like a flip up half box extender with it, and it worked out well. It was just a bit tricky. I was trying to just line up the bougie boxes, but it didn't work that way, so I had to do it off camera. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing here, but I'm going to continue. And the second half of the Friday, I marked a Plan With Me binge the same way I had all week. I then marked watching Criminal Minds with a TV from Planner Hannah and a Criminal Minds custom script from Planner Hannah also. In that flip up box at the top, I used a half box to cover it up, and I used a vanilla with a microphone sticker to not having a voiceover. The voiceover script is from Mr. and Mrs. Mintco. Sorry about the aeroplane. I'm at my mum's house and she lives next to an airport. Then I marked filming videos with a camera icon and a film video script from Planner Hannah. I then marked it being really rainy with this like storm sticker from Sweet Choir Design. I then marked a pizza night with a pizza sticker from, I think, Sticky Packs, and a pizza night custom script from Bella Plan Ella. I marked another Love Island binge with a TV icon from Planner Hannah and a Love Island script from Bella Plan Ella. Whew. I don't know why I feel like that was a tongue twister, but it kind of was. So moving on to Saturday. At the top of Saturday, I marked sleeping in with a pillow from Paper Shy and a sleeping script from Tilly Journals. I marked a Plan With Me binge using the same stickers from the rest of the week. I then marked a YouTube binge with a popcorn sticker from only God knows. It's from a leftover from a kit probably. And then a YouTube binge sticker from the Honeybee shop. I used a pizza sticker from Sticky Perks and a pizza night custom script from Bella Plan Ella to note having a pizza night. And then marked memory. You're right there, sir. I then marked memory planning with a planner sticker from the kit and a memory plan script from Ice Cream Joe. I marked doing a voiceover with a combo of a microphone and a script from Mr. and Mrs. Mintco. And then I marked planning time with a planner from Olive Studio and a planning time script from GP Studio. I then used a TV from Planner Hannah and a Criminal Minds sticker from Planner Hannah to note a Criminal Minds binge. I am ahead of myself by a day, but it's okay. So on to Sunday. At the top of Sunday, I used this couch sticker from the kit and a Lazy Morning script from Kinsey's Creations to note a lazy morning. I then marked Plan With Me binge, and it's again the same way. I had a Plan With Me binge every day this week. I then marked watching Criminal Minds with a TV from Sticky Perks and a Criminal Minds sticker from Planner Hannah. I then used this Paper Shire vanilla with like toast and bread to note having breakfast. I then used this grocery cart sticker from the kit and a grocery script from Quincy's Creation to note getting my Tesco delivery in. Or was I going to Tesco still? I might have gone to Tesco this day because once I was pregnant I started getting lazy and just ordering it because I couldn't bother to drive. Then I marked, yeah, we did go in. Washing my car with this car wash sticker from, Naomi Love Designs, I think. Then I marked my husband gaming again with a PS5 controller from Sticky Perks and a Babe Gaming custom script from PlanWithAds. And then I used this apple sticker from, a Cookie Sticker Co. Teacher sheet to note eating lots of fruit and being in the mood for fruit. I think that was part of the cravings. So I wouldn't call it craving. I think I was just trying to eat healthy. So as you can see, I am finished, but the spread is not. So this, are you waking up? No, he's okay. I'm not going to cut that out because there's just no point. So as you can see, oh my goodness, I am going to stop and I'll be back. As soon as I press stop, so did he. And then now I'm talking, he's talking, but it's okay. So as you can see, this week I tried something new and I did like the extender thing in the sidebar like Andrea does, but I used the bougie boxes to do it and it worked out well. I just didn't have a scene to use, but there were so many boxes in this kit, which is usually the case with PaperCandyArt kits, that I wanted to use some more. So it's not a like double box scene, but I still added those 3 boxes in the sidebar. In terms of pregnancy, I was 10 weeks as I said this week, and I noted in my personal planner that my boobs were getting sore. Sorry if it's too TMI, but I thought this is the only way I'm going to tell you my pregnancy symptoms. I had to have my first midwife appointment this week and another blood test, which they took lots and lots of blood, and that appointment took long because they had to take my details and my husband's details, but that was it. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a wiggle and what's left of the kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.